Namaste to everyone. My name is Bhargav. He is my friend Srihari. Actually, we came to the Arunachalam. Then I saw a video in YouTube, somewhat free stay in Kanchipuram. This Hindu Dharmashala. Then I called to a number 9940764667. One person responded and he said, come, we will provide stay. Then we came to the yesterday night. We are 3 people, me and my friend, my father also. We came yesterday night and we stayed here. We are going to the hometown today. Our hometown is Kadiri, Andhra Pradesh. Actually, this is a nice stay. Here you can stay for some 2 or 3 days. 3 days is maximum. You can stay freely. They provide bathrooms, toilets, and also food also sometimes. And this is true and this is free. Please come visit and take some blessings from Kanchipuram Amavaru. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Shri Ram.